Hi, and welcome to our vodcast. We are going to discuss long-term care insurance companies and what it takes to qualify for coverage. There are roughly 100 companies that offer some type of long-term care protection. The top 3 companies control 65% of the long-term care marketplace. When making a decision on a company, it is important to choose one with many years of experience in the long-term care industry. It is important that they be very strong financially and have high ratings with the rating service companies. Experience, financial strength, and ratings are important to the foundation of a good long-term care insurance plan. You may not need the protection for 20 or 30 years. You want to make sure that it will be there for you. I would advise you that you ask for a Comdex rating, which in itself is not a rating, but a composite of all the ratings that a company has received. It simply helps in determining the strength of a company. It is also important when considering long-term care coverage to think about your overall health, because it may play a factor in the purchase of insurance. Long-term care insurance is somewhat different from life insurance. Life insurance companies look at the health problems which may cause death, such as heart conditions, cancer, and strokes. Long-term care insurance companies look at chronic illnesses like osteoporosis and arthritis. Your overall height and weight are considered, and it is okay to carry a few extra pounds. But of course, there are limits. Long-term care insurance does not require a physical exam as long as you have seen a doctor in the previous 2 or 3 years. The bulk of the information needed to obtain coverage is gathered in a phone interview and by reviewing medical records. It's a good idea early on in the discussion of long-term care to be sure that there will be no health issues. I help my clients by simply calling or sending an email to the underwriter. I indicate that I have a John Doe or a Jane Doe, and I provide the underwriter with their age, height and weight, and the current medications they are taking. In most cases, if the information is accurate, the underwriter can give you a general idea of acceptance or rating. This is a simple process, and real names are never used. To summarize on some of these key points, number 1, make sure you choose a strong company. Number 2, if you feel you may have some health issues, check it out with the help of a long-term care specialist. And number 3, design your long-term care coverage with options and choices that make sense to you. When you submit your application to the insurance company, it may take 30 or 40 days for a decision to be made. When the application has been approved and issued, it will be delivered to you for your approval. The policyholder has the choice of declining the policy, accepting the policy with changes they make, or accepting the policy exactly as it was delivered. This gives the consumer total flexibility. To obtain more information on the topic of long-term care, please don't hesitate to go to my website, longtermcareman.com, and sign up for one of my 30-minute no-cost discovery teleconferences. Thanks for viewing, and talk to you soon.